today is a throwback to 4 years ago. What I've got here is I've got the GoPro Karma Grip, and in here I've got the GoPro Hero 6 Black. Today's entire video is being filmed on the Hero 6 Black. This camera was released in September of 2017, and it's 4 generations of GoPro back. I just want to show today that even older GoPros can do a fabulous job filming videos. And this Karma Grip right here, if you haven't used this before, this is a stabilizer that GoPro released with the Karma drone kit back in the day. It's really an incredible piece of equipment. I used this all the time back in the day, and I hadn't used it in a while, but I decided to bust it out and bring it on our adventure today. And my son's chucking sand at me. So me talking to the camera, I'm talking to the Hero 10 Black right now, but everything else is gonna be on the Hero 6 Black. Enjoy. Going down to this neat little place called Fossil Beach. Fossil Beach is down here on the York River, and it's got a lot of sand, a lot of dead trees that have washed down that look like driftwood, and of course there's a lot of fossils too. I've seen some pretty neat ones. State park does require you to keep any fossils you find down here. You're not allowed to remove them from the park, but there is quite a collection down here. The river is so big here, you feel like you're at a lake or at the ocean. It is very wide here. I believe it's more than a mile wide in parts down in this area. There's a lot of water there. And the nice thing is all of the sand here. It's like being at a beach. It's a lot of fun. If you've never used the Karma Grip before, it is one of my favorite gimbal stabilizers for the GoPro. It's a shame GoPro doesn't still make one. And the reason I use it, I've talked about in another video, is you can have hyper smooth off when the GoPro's connected to here. And that allows you to get the fullest resolution possible from that GoPro sensor, which is what I really like. And the stabilization is really good on here. Unfortunately, the stabilizer only works with the Hero 5, 6, and 7. And you can also use the 4 on here, the 4 Silver, with a special adapter. But the good news is if you own a Hero 4 Silver, all the way up to a Hero 7 Black, these Karma Grips can be gotten for a used price. I've seen a lot of them for like $100 or less these days. So if you do own an older gen GoPro, I definitely recommend checking out the Karma Grip. It's an incredible piece of equipment, and it's 2021, and I'm still using it sometimes. You want mommy to wear it? He said he wants his mommy to wear his hat. I think his mommy should wear it.
Can I wear it?
Look at that. There, see, that looks good on mommy. Do you like that? The other thing I like about the Karma Grip is the battery life. So the battery in here, it takes a couple hours to charge in the grip. It's got 4 lights on it that indicate charge. So when it's fully charged, all 4 lights are lit. When it's 75%, 3, when it's 52, and so forth. But the nice thing about the battery in the Karma Grip is it does charge the GoPro camera battery while the camera's connected. So once that battery reaches 100, then it maintains the power in your camera while the grip also is on and powered. So then if the grip happens to run out and you still want to use your camera on like a different stabilizer or without one with stabilization turned on, you've still got the full charge in your camera to use. Now I've had this grip on for about an hour and a half now, and right now there's still 3 lights on it. And my Hero 6 has a full 100% charge. So I'm pretty impressed with the battery life on this. I don't know how many hours GoPro said the battery on the Karma Grip is supposed to last, but based on my experience today and from what I recall, I think I remember using that grip for pretty much the whole day on an adventure, and then being able to take my Hero 6 Black off and continuing to use it. So for the price you can get a grip these days, like $99 used, and I will link to that in the description below in case you want to check that out. But yeah, if you have an older GoPro, love the Karma Grip. It's my favorite stabilizer to use with it. Works great.